Today we're gonna race down all the legend monster trucks.
Let's
we're gonna race
go
down
racing.
Zombie, Max D, Ram, Monster Mutt, Gravedigger, Son of a Digger, and El Toro Loco, and Mohawk Warrior.
Let's go racing.
Oh, Max D! Look at Max went! Max D is the winner. Like and subscribe. We're gonna be racing our favorite monster trucks and winners. I think Gravedigger, Son of a Digger is gonna win.
I think Max D and Ed will go. Let's go racing.
Let's see who's gonna win.